Welcome back to my channel, everyone. For those of the views that are new, I am Leanne, and I am the owner and creator of Bubbly Suds. And pretty soon, you can start creating your ideas. They've already come up with some ideas for me, eh?
If they have a unicorn one, I'll do like 2 colors.
Oh, you want a unicorn soap?
Yeah, so I'll do Skittles and Dark Magic. I like the Dark Magic.
Oh, you're talking fragrance.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
So today we are unboxing. We are going to unbox 2 packages. So the first one is Brambleberry.
Ooh.
I love ordering from Brambleberry. Out of all the companies that I order from, Brambleberry and Canwax, they deliver the fastest. Brambleberry is the fastest.
Yeah.
I put my order in on Sunday night, and I mean late Sunday night, probably close to midnight. And by 5 o'clock Wednesday, delivered.
Yeah.
So right now we are going to open Brambleberries. So right at the very top is a coupon. Save $10 on your order of $100 or more. And when you're ordering from Brambleberry, you can't help but to order over $100 anyways. So they have this, the cafe collection.
Ooh.
They got new cafe do-it-yourself kits, cafe latte, dark roast coffee, coffee shop, and sweet cardamom tea.
That sounds good.
Okay, so sit that there.
Oh.
And I love their packaging. Everything is so secure. They've got like foam inside, and it's like made to fit. It's form fitting.
It's so soft.
All right, so we have got their fragrances. Christmas ones. I've been dying to try them. I've heard such good things about them. So we have Santa's Spruce.
Can you smell?
In 1 minute. And we have the Sleigh Ride.
Ooh.
I really, really wanted to order their gingerbread fragrance. I have heard amazing things about it, but being in Canada, for whatever reason, they've got the delivery restrictions, and I can't get it here, so I couldn't get it.
You're making me hungry for gingerbread.
Oh, I know, I know. All right, let's open up these fragrances and smell them. All right, so take the cap off. Ooh.
Let me smell. Wait, I'm gonna smell it.
It's almost,
It smells like Vicks.
it's pine, like pine mixed with sweetness. Like fruit.
Like,
Oh. Oh yeah.
Ooh,
Okay,
smells
put-
like pine.
Like it's definitely Christmas. Oh my goodness, that is good.
Hey, Mom.
Well, that's good so far. The reviews were not wrong. Okay, so we got Sleigh Ride. Oh, you dripped on me.
Ooh. Smells like candy cane a little.
Yeah.
And
It smells like it almost smells like kind of reminds me of a juicy fruit gum.
Mom,
Oh my,
that's what it smells all day.
this is amazing. With like mint.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mint candy cane.
oh, it smells good. Can you smell it over there? My son Davey's all the way over there, and he can smell it over there. He's like,
Can I drink it?
oh, it smells good enough to drink, but what's
You
the
wish.
rules? Okay, put the lid on it.
No.
Can't drink the fragrances. It's not safe. All right. Okay, hold on. Yeah. All right, let's see what else we got. Silly. Smells so good. All right, so next, that was it for the fragrances that I had ordered. But let's see. Pumpkin powder, because I am doing some pumpkin soaps for fall, and this will help like kind of give it like a yellowish color and just, you know, like a mild exfoliation. So I want to try that. Okay, let's see.
I wanna pick one.
We got Sunset Orange Mica.
I'll choose this one.
And we got, oh, I got two of them.
I
I'm
wanna
like,
try this
wait a
one.
minute. We got, oh yeah, electric bubblegum
No, I'm hungry.
mica. I think I ordered 2 of each. We got, oh look at that, you were just talking about mermaid soap. I got mermaid blue mica.
Unicorn.
Oh, unicorn. We could use it for the unicorn as
Yeah.
well, and a mermaid. Aqua pearl mica. Ooh yeah.
Aqua pearl.
Yep. And let's see, what other color? Oh, this one is what I wanted. The snowflake sparkle mica.
This is not a
I
snowflake.
don't know how well you can see that, but this is definitely going on my Christmas ones. All right.
It's mica.
Yep, I had everything doubled except for the glitter. So let's, oh, it's actually mica. It's the snowflake sparkle mica, and I can put it actually inside, and because it's so glittery that it's supposed to, a lot of times once your soap goes through sulfonification, it loses any of the shine. But I'm hoping with this that it's going to actually leave some of the glitter inside
Mom,
once it goes
I
through
know
the
a trick.
sulfonification.
If you have this snowflake mica, you can.
Because yes, it's glitter. You get glitter everywhere. Yep. All right.
Oh.
So next is the Canwax. All right. So now we are going to open up the Canwax one, and there's my granddaughter Gabby
Hi.
and an angel. All right. Let's open it up. They always have it stuffed with all this paper.
Can me and Gabby open it?
Okay, yeah, come on. Okay, easy. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, let's see.
Oh.
No. She's trying to lift my big jug of. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. It's my big jug of castor oil. Go through a lot of that. Okay, so let's see what you got. Okay, well, open up the thing. Open up the baggie. Oh, yes, I got little, oh, they're smaller than what I wanted, but actually it might work out. They're little star plungers, which I wanted to make little stars with, I made some soap dough. So we're going to use that. Okay, so this is, it's hard to read this here. This is going to be my mica. Emerald green mica. Emerald green.
I got one.
Yeah, we got 2. And we've got Mystic Purple Moon. Look at that. We've got Plumberry Pink. Plumberry Pink.
It's a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Those are pretty.
Oh, this one is strawberry.
This one is gingerbread brown. Gingerbread
one.
brown. Yeah, more plumberry pink.
Yeah.
What's in your hand? You got a big jar. Let me see.
Yeah, look at it.
Caramel brown butterscotch mica.
The same thing.
Ooh. Yep. Okay, so let's put those back in the bag.
I think it's
Oh, fragrance oil.
There's a whole bunch.
And the plumberry spice.
Oh, can I smell it?
Yeah, let's open this up and let's see.
I'm gonna come over here.
Guys,
They can
subscribe
see
to our
me.
channel.
Subscribe to my channel, yeah.
Daddy.
That smells
Oh.
like a sweet Christmas tree.
Mom.
Gabby, look at my.
Ooh,
I'm on the rules.
that smells
Um,
so good.
I had
Okay, what else do we got in there?
This.
We've got
No.
blueberry.
Ooh, blueberry.
Ooh.
I need to get some new glasses.
Oh yeah.
These bifocals just
But
don't
can you
work
put
out
it,
for me.
Hey, can I have
Blueberry.
I'm just gonna eat it for that.
She's like, yeah.
I love
What's
blues.
this one? This is.
Wait, Gabby,
Red
no,
peach.
no.
Oh yeah, Georgia peach. Look, get over there.
That's a good scent.
I want us to see just how
I can't.
peachy it really smells.
Mom, I smell.
Ooh, that smells
That's good.
Oh,
like
wait, eat it so bad.
that's definitely
Candy.
peach.
Yes, peach.
Give me candy
Yeah.
one.
You want to smell the peach? Davey, my son.
He's my brother.
That's like
Yes.
the sour peach candy.
Yeah? Yeah. Okay, Angel, here.
huge.
Take this one. What else do we got? We got green tea.
Green tea.
Ooh.
I
Let's
don't
see.
like green tea, but I never smelled green tea before.
I am not a tea drinker.
I know. I don't. I think tea might give me a headache.
Smell.
Can I smell?
Yeah, not bad.
Mmm.
Not bad. It does not.
Like it smells like
Like what?
cologne. Like oranges? It smells like cologne.
Like oranges? No. Yeah, it smells kind of
Like a cologne.
like a perfumey.
Yeah, it
smell.
smells like a perfume.
Hey. She said, "Ugh."
It smells like coffee.
This is maple walnut fudge.
Oh.
that smells so good.
Oh. It's making my stomach want to eat it.
Okay, take that one.
Things that I always get. That's what
This one?
it smells like.
Yep. All right. Let's
This
see.
one.
Kids get so excited.
I know.
No, this is the peach one you just put
Oh
in
wait,
there.
I'll grab another.
Wait, what is that?
What is that one? Yep. Yeah, give that to
No,
me.
I want to grab another one.
Okay.
How about this one?
This one? Wait, let me see it.
Oh, the holiday berry. This is the one
Ooh.
I've been waiting. I wanted to smell this one.
I haven't
Let's
smelled it
see.
in my life.
Oh, Mom, I got you a good one.
Ooh, yeah.
I got hot iced gingerbread.
Ooh.
Oh, that smells like yogurt.
He said it smells like yogurt.
Mom,
Okay.
I got her hot
Take this one.
iced gingerbread.
Now here is
Hot iced
hot iced gingerbread. The gingerbread that I wanted was from Brambleberry, and no, they have it, but they won't ship it to Canada. So I don't
Oh,
not sure
man.
why, but I've heard that one is a true gingerbread fragrance. So I'm hoping that this one is.
That's all.
Is that a good smell?
Yeah,
Mom, are we gonna do?
it does smell like gingerbread, but
Let me smell.
it is a gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
It's not too good. Like it does not smell like too much
It's
like
yeah, it's
gingerbread.
not like a strong gingerbread, but it does smell like
It's
gingerbread.
It's like because I can barely smell the gingerbread.
You put that in there.
Have we smelled this
Can I
one?
look for
Yeah.
That's all.
No, you put my dragon's blood back in there.
Dragon's blood.
There it is.
Oh. For blood.
Dragon's blood.
That one sounds cool. It must be a cologne.
It smells nice.
It does.
It smells really nice.
Ooh, that smells like
No, it's
oh, that
not real
smells
blood,
like
honey. It's,
like a deodorant kind of.
Yeah, you should buy it.
yeah.
That smells really
All
good.
right.
Smells
So
so
it's
good.
yeah. So is that everything that we got?
Yeah.
Wait, no,
Yep.
I gotta look at all
So now what do we got to do? We got to make some soap. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And
Notification bell.
we will see you later.
Later on.
Yep.